my dear students. This is Valter.A.S, founder and director of Specialization and Charitable Trust and Institute of Learning, Sindanur. Today, I would like to explain about specialization pathway, that is built environment. As we already know, built environment is human-made environment. Whatever we are seeing by eyesight, like buildings, bridges, dams, water distribution system, sewage treatment plant and water treatment plant, electricity, and as well transportation systems. Whatever human beings made with their construction techniques is called as built environment. The students who have selected the pathway of built environment, we are inviting the applications for the internship and project as well. In the internship period, what we are going to discuss with you means, let's move on to the main content of the video. Before going to explain, there are two assessments. The first one is formative assessment and second one is summative assessment. In your final year semester, the formative assessment is of 240 marks and summative assessment is of 160 marks. That is your final examination. Before going to attend the exam, you need to complete the formative assessment, that is 240 marks. In the 240 marks, while you are in our institution, we are going to complete in the internship period for the first 4 weeks, we can call that is continuous internal evaluation, that is CIE 1. For the first 4 weeks, according to the instructions what have provided in the board of Directorate of Technical Education, we are going to meet that requirements. In the CIE 1 internal evaluation, what we have got from the board is, see here in the screen, I am going to show you some of the things what is there for the CIE 1, that will be first of your 4 weeks of internship. In the 4 weeks of your internship, first one you need to do according to the board regulations and rules, submit a report to the training supervisor and copy to the cohort owner, focusing on overview of the organization and vision and mission of the organization structure and roles and responsibilities of personnel in the organization and products and market performance. That is about 50 marks. And second one is give a presentation on above. Whatever the points mentioned in the above, you need to do attempt for the presentation. That is about 30 marks. You are seeing in the screen here. Total allotted marks for continuous internal evaluation 1 is about 80 marks. In the CIE 1, in the internship period, what we are going to discuss with you means, see in the screen, I am going to show you some of the points here. The first one is overview of the organization. In the overview of organization, this will be an biggest thing to know about our organization, because you need to know when we are going to have any startup or when we are going to do any business. This is the main important and foremost thing for every civil engineer. Firstly, you need to see the overview of organization. In this, we will train the students about organization structure and board team and the complete view, and founder to employees complete team details you will get. And the second point you will get here, vision and mission of the organization. According to our rules and according to our policies, we have our criteria about vision and mission of the organization that we will share with you. And third one is about organization structure. In the organization structure, you are seeing in the screen, in this we will train the students about organization, complete structure of the organization and governing council and of our team. And the fourth one, what we are going to train you means roles and responsibilities of personnel in the organization. Every civil engineer must know the roles and responsibilities of personnel in the organization, because when you are going to do any job, any site engineer job or something like that job, you have to know your role and responsibility to play in the site or to have certainly your job responsibilities. Without knowing your role and responsibilities, you can't ruin your life in a successful way. You can ruin your life in a successful way when you are going to know the roles and responsibilities of personnel in the organization. According to our rules and policies, we do have a construction company called SV Constructions, and in the SV Constructions there are governing council and team. and I am the founder and director, and remaining people, there are some team with us, and we are going to share everything, the roles and responsibilities of their individual. One we are going to train you is product and market performance. In this, we will train the students about product and market performance, complete structure of our services, and our construction packages and construction project details, marketing strategies and marketing potential, and business complete overview we are going to discuss with you in this period. And you will get everything about the CIE 1, that is we can call continuous internal evaluation. And after completing of CIE 1, we are going to train you with a complete guidance how to prepare sure of report that you need to submit one copy to us and one copy to your college, and you will get that. And the second one, what we are going to train you means the complete presentation guidelines while what you have to do in the institute itself. And after completion of your presentation, we will submit a presentation evaluation form in your academics. That will be more useful to gain and good marks, and that will be more useful to the external supervisor who will come to your final examination. And after the 4 weeks, the next 4 weeks what we are going to train you is CIE 2, that is we can call continuous internal evaluation, that is CIE 2. In the CIE 2, the Board of Directorate of Technical Education has provided some rules to be followed. The rules are you are seeing in the screen here, that is assessment on job training OJT 1 plus use case 1. The first point, select any job role of his or her interest in any organization or role assigned by the training supervisor for next 4 weeks, and submit a report to the training supervisor and copy to the cohort owner, focusing on first point, internal's ability to apply the skill and technical knowledge on OJT 1, and second one, intern's performance on assigned task and project, and third one, extent of internal's ability to add value to the organization through internship, that is about 50 marks. And the second one, document a use case on task where he is working as an intern. And the total allotted marks for the CIE 2 is 80 marks. In the CIE 2, there is a specific subject called OJT 1, that is on-job training. In the OJT 1, what we are going to train you means, in the screen you are seeing here, I am going to tell you one by one things, and listen very carefully. This might be very helpful and this might be very useful to join in our institution for the internship. And assessment on job training OJT 1, here is the list of the actions. The first point is, as a part of on-job training, we will organize a site visit for all the interns. And the second point, we will provide our students with exposure to our live projects to enhance their practical knowledge. Our training program will cover building construction procedures and all other practical knowledge required for civil engineer. And we will take our students to environment projects such as water treatment plant, sewage systems, bridges, dams, and etc. We will explain every survey procedure, advanced equipment like a total station. And next, we will provide our reports, plans, designs, etc. to our students and provide detailed explanation. In the section 1, as you saw there, in the OJT 1, we are going to take you out for our live projects, and we will give every plan and estimation and drawings of our live projects, and we will train you accordingly. And in the second section, you are going to see in the OJT 1, as the board has declared that, as the board has directed that students have to learn some of the technical skills, like software skills you need to learn in the CIE 2 period of, like in the 4 weeks of period, we are going to train the softwares. The softwares are Rhino 3D, Revit Architecture, 3ds Max, Water Gems, Water Loop, ePlanet, and SCADA, and AutoCAD for preparing plans and drawings. These are all of the softwares we are going to train you in the period of CIE 2. After 8 weeks, the next 4 weeks, what we are going to cover in the internship period of syllabus is CIE 3, that is we can call continuous internal evaluation, that is CIE 3. In this CIE 3, the Board of Directorate of Technical Education some rules and regulations or some methods to follow, they have been instructed. You are seeing in the screen here assessment on job training OJT2 plus use case 2. First point, select any other job role of his or her interest in the organization or role assigned by the training supervisor for the next 4 weeks and submit a report to the training supervisor and cohort owner focusing on intern's ability to apply the skill and technical knowledge on OJT2, and second one, internals performance on assigned task and project, and third one, extent of internals ability to add value to the organization through internship, that is about 50 marks, and second one, documenting of another use case on task where he is working as an intern, this is about 30 marks. The total allotted marks of the CIE3 is 80 marks, and total completion of CIE1, CIE2, CIE3 is all about 240 marks. In the continuous intern evaluation, that is CIE3, what we are going to discuss with you means, you are seeing here in the section 1, we are going to discuss about discussion in the types of industrial, retail, residential and commercial built environments, human health, air quality, ambient noise, climate, land use and development patterns, physical activity, public spaces and transportation, physical spaces, our homes, workplaces, schools and public spaces, materials used in the construction and estimation required, project management and construction management, how to use environmental impact assessment as a tool for the design, construction and management of sustainable built environment, design of water distribution network and water supply and monitoring system, wastewater management system and sewage treatment, explanation, design, calculations and problems, sewer design and complete explanation, report preparation, design of flow of water treatment and calculations required for that, design of new waste collection system and collection route optimization. In the section ones, these all the points we are going to discuss in the OJT2, that we are going to discuss, and after that we are going to see your interest of to perform in the on-job training too, and we are going to guide you accordingly. And in section 2, what I have told in the before of CIE2 the software, if we have left anything, we are going to complete in the CIE3 period of your internship. And for the CIE2 and CIE3, the softwares whatever mentioned here, you will get a certificate of course completion of that softwares. And then after next, we are going to guide you accordingly to the report preparation of OJT1 and OJT2 and completely plans, estimations and drawings and detailed of our project report and budget report, everything we are going to hand over to you, and we will guide you to prepare the report for OJT1 and OJT2. These are the instructions and what we are going to cover in the period of the 12 weeks, that we can call as 3 months of your internship period, that is CIE1 and CIE2 and CIE3. After completion of these all things, you going to attend for the final examination. In the first, I have told the summative assessment is about 160 marks. Here we are going to attend for the final examination. The Board of Directorate of Technical Education has provided some of the rules, and upon conclusion of your internship and based on the rules and regulations, we are going to train you. The first point is, we will provide comprehensive guidance on preparation for the semester end examination. Additionally, we will thoroughly guide you on creating a comprehensive internship report. We will also provide you with the necessary documentation like presentation evaluation form and OJT1 evaluation form and OJT2 evaluation form and overall internship evaluation form we are going to provide for you guys. And these are all the things what we are going to cover in the 3 months of internship period. And the next thing I would like to discuss here, our way of teaching. The first, training with the softwares in a live sessions. See, we are going to explain in the projector view in every software way, and then after you can practice in our institution with our use of computers as well. And the second point, site visit preferred for the specialization pathway. Whatever included in the internship period of the syllabus, we are going to make sure to complete all the site visits mandatory in the field of internship. And then after, we are going to teach you all laboratory tests. Like, see, in the built environment, in the CI1 or CI2 or CI3, whatever included or whatever I said the syllabus, whatever the laboratory sets are there, everything we are going to cover. And next, classroom live session with clearing all your doubts. With explanation of all problem clearing solution sessions, all the topics are to be discussed in the classroom only. To have a face-to-face interaction with you, like I am going to explain every of the topic with a certain time and the preferred time to understand more clearly about the relevant subject of the specialization pathway. And then next, we have a practical live sessions and also doubt clearing sessions with me directly in the cabin. And extra benefit, those who are joining for the internship in our institution is complete total station practical training will be provided. As in the marketplace, if you want to learn total station, there are so many prices. The thousands of prices you have to pay and you have to learn the total station. But those who have enrolled for the internship in our institution, we are going to provide absolutely free of total station training from basic to ending of the total station. Like you will become a pro to use and total station that we will assure to make completion of every syllabus whatever mentioned of training in the total station. And these are all about our way of teaching and our way of training. Then after here, I am going to tell the main point, instructions to join for the internship at our institution. See guys, according to the conditions of the students or according to the possibilities of the students, we have thought to take and different types of streams of internship. First thing, in our institution. In our institution, you have to come here. The institution is located opposite KSRTC bus stand, Veerraju complex and second floor, Adarsh College, Sindhanur. The institution has been located here and you need to come here. You need to stay in the hostels for the 3 months and you need to complete the internship period. This is the one stream of completing your internship. In this institution way of internship, you will get the benefits of hostel facility. You will get wherever you are far from and you have to come here and you need to join for the hostel and you need to attend for the classes on time in the practical sessions or else in a classroom live sessions also, and everything you need to attend. You will get hostel facility. In the hostel you will get 3 times food and every facilities you will get, and hostel facility will be there for both boys and girls. And facilities of institutions are, you will get face-to-face interaction with me in the cabin, and the second one, highly digitalized and high-end systems for practicing of every software you will get. And then after, online services in the reception you will get. You can apply for any application or you can make any xerox in the reception here only. And then after, you will get classrooms digitalized and project view explanation. You will get seating capacity very well furnished way and you will get very good ventilation. These are the facilities of the institution. The second way of attending for the internship classes is, we will come to your college directly and we are going to train you there up to the 3 months of the period. In the week, the certain days only we will schedule, and then after we will provide you some practical live sessions. While we attend for the classroom sessions and practical sessions, we are going to train you, and remaining part of the days of the week, we are going to provide you some of the work, and remaining whatever the certain days we have scheduled to come to your college, in that time we are going to train you. This is the college way of internship. You will stay in your area only and we will only come to your college and we will only train you there. These are the 2 ways attending for the internship at our institution or in your college also. And last but not least, and final thing, those who are going to fix your slot, or those who are going to fix your college, or those who are going to schedule your college for this internship, you have to enroll by clicking on the link below, or else you can call me directly. The number is mentioned here, and you can call me directly and schedule for your classes as well. And then after, I am going to tell you about benefits of joining in our institution for the internship. What are the benefits you will get? The benefits you will get, first one is, you will get government approved certificate after completion of the internship, that is 12 weeks of internship, and as I will say 3 months of internship period, you will get course completion certificate, or you will get completion of internship period. You will get the certificate, and then after you will get ISO certificate, and then after you will get construction office certificate also you will get, and then after you will get comprehensive internship report, that is final report that you need to submit in the semester end examination. And then after you will get job placement assistance after completion of your internship, or else if you want to do your higher studies, means we will guide you in career possibilities, and we will train you, or we will counsel you for your higher studies and entire thing. Then after you will get softwares installed in your PC, and softwares key absolutely free. From my side, I am going to provide for the students is 9+ videos of life skills training. After 36+ videos of industrial training, whatever of civil engineer need to learn about practical skills, I have recorded 36+ videos, and then after 16+ videos of in-plant training videos for civil engineers, those who want to learn about practical knowledge, everything I have trained and everything I have recorded in the videos that you will get, and you will get on-site experience and practical exposure in a different way, that you will not learn your theoretical knowledge, you will learn completely about practical knowledge. These are all of the benefits you will get by joining in the internship of our institution.
Hi everyone, myself Valter.A.S. In April of 2023, I was go through an internship at Institute of Learning. It was my first practical experience. I wish to say separate thanks to Mr.Vasanth Valter sir, who is an founder and director of Institute of Learning. In the time of internship, I gained precious experience, practical skills and applied knowledge. I will recall this month with warmest thought. Thank you.
Hi everyone, myself Asya. In April of 2023, I did an internship in Sindhnoor at the Institute of Learning under the guidance of Mr. Vasanth Valter.A.S, who is the director and founder of Institute of Learning. It was a good experience. My days there were busy with a variety of interesting tasks. I learned how to do survey by using Total Station and some of the softwares. I would like to thank Mr. Vasanth Valter sir for his guidance. Thank you all.
Hello everyone, myself Vishnu. ವಸಂತ್ ಸರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಳ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗೋಷ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗಳು ನ್ಯೂ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರೋಡ್ ಸರ್ವೆ, CC ರೋಡು, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸರ್ವೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ನ್ಯೂ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟೋಟಲಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಫ್ಯೂಚರಿಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ 2 ತಿಂಗಳು ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ thank you Vasanth sir from
Civil engineer and tutor Vasanth Valter.A.S. trained more than 3,500 plus offline and 2,500 plus online students in the 3 years of excellence and given best internship opportunities and placement. Certified trainer, master motivator, Autodesk Gold partner, authorized training and placement partner for certified companies, HR, architect in interior and exterior, and owns and organizations, Shrestha Education and Charitable Trust, Institute of Learning, SV Constructions, and SV Group. Inc. with the excellence of 5 years.